Hey guys, what's happened? How to know if someone unadded or deleted you on Snapchat. So go ahead and open up your Snapchat, right? If you want to check if someone removed you on Snapchat, what you're gonna do, just let me go back right here. Alright. Look for them in your friends list. So I'm gonna click my avatar icon at the top left, right? Scroll a little bit down and go to my friends right here, right? And try to search their name. If their name is no longer there, you can try, basically it means that they deleted you, right? If they reappear with an add button, they likely removed you or they swift block you, right? But haven't blocked you yet, right? If they don't show up in search results at all, they may have blocked you. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.